To another video where today we're just at a tornado drill. You can hear it right now. It's so loud. No, seriously. The tornado's coming straight at us.
What's it saying on the news?
Come on, Austin, come inside. Come inside. Right now there's a tornado drill, so I'm gonna have to pause right now, so see ya.